Monkey see, monkey do. Do you remember what I told y'all last week? Let's play the clip. I'm in Walmart, I'm zooted. I'm with my big homie, he a crazy Zoe. I'm in the register line and guess who I see on the corner of my eye? I see Sosa. I'm like, And I see the dude who plotted everything. Exactly. I seen the same dude who robbed me in Walmart. I got something crazy. I'm gonna let you know how a gun was in my chest like this, but I ain't die. I ain't die now, baby. Listen, stay tuned for the video. So it go like this, right? At this time, I believe this was in, when was this? It's 2023 right now. I believe this was in 2020.
Okay.
At this time, I had two phones. And right now I still have two. I still have two phones.
Nice.
The dude, right? Let me tell you how this whole thing connected, right? The dude that robbed me for the 7 Plus, and he took my phones. He contacted me off my Samsung number. I had a Samsung number. Well, I had a Samsung phone and I had an iPhone number. He contacted me off that number, right? So I used to run ads with that number, and I used to also run ads with mother number. So one day, sometimes people used to always hit me up like, yo, you still buying iPhones? XYZ. I used to be like, yeah, what you got? So this time, right? It was a Wednesday. Somebody asked me, I got a text message. Do you buy iPhones? I said yes. He sent me what he got. I sent prices to him and he said, all right, I'm gonna get back to you, right? 2 days later, he hit me up. It was early. It was about 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon. He was like, yo, kid, I hit Bigg today. This is what I have. When can we meet? I said, yo, we can meet at this time. It has to be before 11 because at that time I was meeting people, right? I was meeting people at McDonald's inside the diner. So I ain't, you know what I'm saying? That's where I was meeting people at. So he said, okay, cool. I said, all right. So I was already picking up some phones from somebody else, right? So the dude texts me, right? It's about like, bro, it's about 10:30. He was like, yo, can we still meet? I'm like, bro, if you can meet at McDonald's before 11, I got you. He said, all right. So, like I said again, giving yourself rules. I'm always breaking my rules. So it's past 11. He hit me up like 11:10. He's like, yo, kid, he telling me unnecessary stuff, all about personal problems. Like, why are you telling me about your problems? He's telling me about his baby mama, this, that, and the other. He's like, oh, I had a situation. I'm like, okay, listen, bro, I'll meet you at Walmart on 27. Walmart's still open. He was like, okay, I'm gonna go. I pulled up. The Walmart had a Sonic. I was at the Sonic because he was like, yo, let's meet at, no, first he said, let's meet at the Sonic. I was like, okay, so I went. When I pulled up at the Sonic, it was too many people out there. It was like, bro, they was having like, sometimes in Miami, they got like a whole bunch of car shows and stuff like that. It'd be at Sonic around that time when I used to live in Miami. So when I pulled up, it's too many people, so I text him. I'm like, yo, I'm gonna meet you at Walmart, right? I'm gonna meet you at Walmart, XYZ, right? So I pulled up into the handicap spot. We all know that the handicap spot is like, it's a couple feet away from the entrance, but it's always close. And it's a police car right there, right? So I'm texting him, right? And it's like, he on some BS, bro. Like he's not responding, bro. You feel me? So I park, get out the car. I don't got nothing on me though. I got like the money. I ain't gonna lie, I had the bread and all. The money was in the car. The car was still running, right? So as I'm waiting, I'm on my car like this. I'm leaning on the car like this. And I keep seeing a CT6 because I'm texting him. I'm like, yo, what's good? Da 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 da. I'm about to bang it. You feel me? Because I don't care, bro. I'm already like doing what I don't want to do. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You wasting my time. Understand this. Before I even went to the situation, I already had my thing on me. Listen, I already had my thing on me, right? If you know what that thing is, you already know that thing, but I already had my thing on. Listen, I told myself, do not put one in the chamber. That's what I told myself. I was about to clock back, put one in the chamber, but Sent told me, I guess it was the universe. Nah, Big Ralphie, don't put one in the chamber. You okay? He finally texted me. I'm like, yo, where you at? I'm here. He was like, oh, I think I see you. The CT6 kept rolling around. I'm like, bro, this shit buzzing. I'm finna bang it. As soon as I about to get in my car.
No, God, please, no, no.
This idiot, he's an idiot. He come out of nowhere because I'm like this, bro. I'm like this. I'm like I told y'all, I'm like this, looking at my phone, like, what's up with bro? As soon as I told myself, I said, bro, I'm finna bang it. He came out of nowhere. Oh, yo, let me get everything. I know you the plug. I'm looking at bro like, get what? What the hell is you talking about, bro? Get what? I don't got shit. What you talking about? He doing like this, right? He doing like this. I'm like, bro, this motherfucker shit fake. Cause I'm thinking logical. Like, you're doing this in front of Walmart, bro. He like, what are you doing? What are you doing? You're doing this in the Walmart. I'm like, bro, what you talking about? I ain't got nothing. So, bro, I'm in flip flops. You feel me? And I ain't gonna lie, bro. I don't wanna put one in the mall. You know what I'm saying? I don't wanna do that. So, this is what bro doing. He's trying to hit me, bro. So he's like, bro, let me get that. I'm like, bro, what? I'm dodging his eye. What this nigga? I'm like, bro, look at this stupid ass nigga. Look at this stupid ass nigga, bro. This nigga is tripping. I was like, bro, this nigga trying to kill me, bro. So I don't know how this happened, bro. But me and him started like, he tried to go in my car. That's when I had picked that boy up and we started like wrestling and shit, cause he trying to hit me and shit. Bro, we was wrestling, bro. Tell me how my thing came out the holster, bro. Me and him looked at it at the same time like it was a fresh of meat. It's like me and him looked at it at the same time like it was a big steak and we ain't eaten nothing in 10 years. So I'm like, I swear we looked at each other at the both time. We both went and grabbed it because I knew, bro, my shit had that thing in it, you feel me? So me and him, we wrestling on the ground. I'm like, bro, everybody just walking by, bro. But these people walking by, bro. I'm like, yo, this man tripping, like, you feel me? And then at this time, I ain't feeling no pain, like I don't care about nothing. Bro, I'm on top of him, bro. He thinks he's about to die. You like, yo, get off me, kid. I ain't trying to kill you. Bro, this man grabbed my thing, bro. But it was like this. He squeezed, bro. He squeezed, it was on my chest, bro. He squeezed it, bro. Bro, he squeezed it, bro. Look, y'all remember what I said? I would have put one in the chamber, bro. I would have been dead, bro. I wouldn't even been on YouTube, bro. I would have been with Steve Jobs or something, bro. I would have been telling Steve Jobs how, like, you know what I'm saying? I would have been in iPhone heaven. You know what I'm talking about? But yeah, bro, that's why I was like, yo. You feel me? So I had ended up getting the gun from bro. And I could have ended, bro, right there. But I ain't no killer, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, so his homeboy come. His homeboy comes like, yo, kid, what y'all doing? I said, bro, your homeboy trying to kill me, bro. What you talking about? He's like, bro, get up, bro. They coming. So them boys, you feel me? I was a little scraped up and shit, but I'm still alive, you feel me? Them boys had banged it, and then I had text, bro. I said, bro, you a goop. You ain't even get nothing, bro. You did all that and ain't get nothing. Like, bro, like, and then let me tell you, bro, out of all the situations that I've been in, bro, it's always with black people. That's why I don't fuck with that Black Lives Matter stuff. I don't care about none of that shit, bro. They need to seize that shit, bro. Because when people be like, they been in the street, I've really been in the streets, bro. Not on no slanging dope, not on that, but I've really been in the streets dealing with different individuals multiple times with guns and stuff, where people done put it to my head trying to rob me, bro, for things that they can get. Why is it that black people always trying to rob one another, bro? Like, and I'm not even no person who be flexing. I don't even flex. Yeah, I might tell you how to do this and do that, but I ain't no flexer, bro. I shop at Ross, bro. I got this. You know how much this costs? It costs $7. It's free. You see them? You see them games, bro? Come on, bro. Like, I just don't be understanding, like, why black people always doing that, bro. I never had a problem with no white person, no Spanish person, nobody, bro. It's just always black people, bro. Black people are forever cursed. I don't care what they say about. No, it's like a it's a curse forever. Even in the slavery times, bro, the black people used to catch the black slaves used to catch the new slaves, bro. You know what I'm talking about? So it's like, bro, that's why I just be to myself and that, because, bro, I'm telling you, bro, I've been through so much situations, bro. I got another video coming out, bro. How I lost like $30,000 at the Apple store. I don't know when I'm gonna drop that, but this is the series, bro. This is a series that I wanted to do because a lot of people don't understand how it is. I know this not gonna happen to y'all, bro, because the way I was moving, it was just like, bro, what you doing? Like, why you keep, like, I used to constantly keep leaving stuff in my car. Constantly. Like, it used to always broken into, like, you know what I'm saying? Stuff like that. Oh yeah. 11 minutes still. But yeah, man, this is the series. Like and subscribe. I got another video coming out. And yeah, bro, we the Pendergrass family, bro. I got some crazy. Listen, if y'all want me to do, tell me what y'all want, bro. Cause I'm here to help and I'm here to enlighten the people. You know what I'm saying? I'm here to entertain the people, but still educate them in some type of way. You know what I'm saying? So I appreciate all y'all. If y'all want to learn more about the phone flipping, I got a whole bunch. I got a catalog on it. I wrote an ebook. I think a course is coming. I just don't know how to start it. It's coming, but I've been in the gym and stuff, working on it, so getting right. I'm looking for a wife. I pray you out there, baby. But yeah, man, thank you for watching the video. We out there.